Sawa sawa. So mmefanya so let me see what you have done. Plan kuwekelea vitabu tu ndio na sijui leo mmeletewa viti gani zinakaa backrest na kupumzika. Just learn kuwekelea vitabu hapa ndio I see what you have done. So, you want us to demonstrate how to find this kipaki kifutio. Leo sijui vitu zangu ziko wapi. Ni kama ziko disorganized. I can't see. So, let us demonstrate kwa nini unaweka hapo katikati. This is the grid. And tunaanzianga 0, 0, right? So this is 0, 0. As you come this way, so this point is 0 on the x, y axis, and this is x axis. This is 0 kwenda hivi, and then 1, 2, 4 kwenda hivi. -1, -2, -3. Then hapa kwenda hivi ni 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then up to infinity. -4. Now, this point is 0, 0. Niandike kidogo, I hope you can see. This point, give me the coordinates of this point. Give me the coordinates of this point. 0? 4, 0. 4, 0. You start with the x. Inapeanangwa as x, y. You start with x. So x is 4, then 0. So suppose you want to find the midpoint of this point. 0, 0, and 4, 0. So you have said you do x1 plus x2 over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 over 2. So our midpoint, which we know, midpoint here is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know the midpoint is here. We expect that to be the midpoint. So x1, 0 plus 4, 0 plus 4 over 2, comma, 0 plus 0 over 2. This is 4 over 2, 2, 0. And our midpoint hapa ni 2, 0. Ni kweli? So even if hii line imeenda hadi hivi, you just put after midpoint, unachukua x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Sawa sawa? Good. Now we can what should we do next? We'll do the next question. See, nishawatafutia this equation. So you know this midpoint. Unapata midpoint as midpoint and 7 plus 3 divided by 2, 5. 18, 9. I think, no. Yes, this is the midpoint. Alafu gradient, unakuja unachukua hii. This is the gradient of this line. M equals to 3 over 2. The gradient of this other line is at m1 times m2 equals to -1. Hakuna mtu anaona kivutio, unajua iko inakata blacks. m1, m2 equals to -1. So this is the 3 over 2 times m2 equals to -1. m2 equals to -1 times 2 over 3, which is -2 over 3. So inakuja -3 over 2. Now you have a 0.59, then gradient -2 over 3. Hiyo ni rahisi, tumefanya such question hapa. So I want to do it kuanzia hapo. Unless you have a problem with that. Tena most of you hawana shida na hiyo. To save time. Tuko sawa? Mko kwa na kisha na baadhi mko kwa wana na gradient. Mko confident. Na tukikupea any points like gradient mko sawa. Are you okay with that? Mko sawa? Tutafanya. So equation number 6 given 1 point and the gradient. Usiwe kwa kusema mjui. That's how you handle 1 point and gradient. Tunafanya una assume there is another point x and y that we don't know its points. We said a straight line inakaa iko na many points. So zinaweza kuwa na fractions but we take ile whole numbers. Inaweza kuwa na so many points because the straight line mpaka huko mwisho na iende kabisa mpaka infinity. Haina mwisho. So it can have so many points, but to find the equation, you only need 2 points. To find the gradient, which is the slope. To find the slope. Gradient is slope. Change in y, in change in y, over change in x. Hii itakuwa the same na hii. Hata ikiwa mbali hadi uchukue hii. Maybe hii ni 2, hii ni 1. Hii itakuwa 4 na hii itakuwa 2. Yani gradient inakuwa consistent, the slope. This slope hakuna vile itakuja hivi then iende hivi. This is not a straight line. Has the same slope, has the same gradient, has the same slope. So now when you're given 1 point, if you're given 2 points, this and this, unatafuta hivi gradient. Change in y or change in x. You take 1 point, 6y minus 9 over, 9 minus 6, you can say 9 minus 6 over 5 minus 3. Make sure, wakati unaanzia ukianzia kwa 5, 9, make sure bado chini ni 5. Usiku ukasema 9 minus 6 over 3 minus 5. As in 9 minus 6, then 3 minus 5. Answer itakuwa correct, but itakuwa na shida na negative. Itakupea the direction, itakosa the direction. But the magnitude, the size, answer itakuja 3 over 2. 3 over 2. Lakini the negative itakuwa wrong. Now, this is the 3 over 2. Now, after your gradient, what's next? You assume there's another point that you don't know, which is xy. Tuweke hii tissue hapa. Sawa. So you assume there's another point that you don't know. Ni gani? xy. Acha tufute hapo chini. So you have another point xy, and this is the gradient, -2 over 3. So you say, how do you find the gradient? Is equals to change in y over change in x. Change in y, take y minus y 9 over x minus x is equals to the gradient that you have. So ukishafika hapa ni algebra, hakuna formula. Una cross multiply to simplify so that you give your answer in terms of y is equals to mx plus c. If you are not asked to give in terms of y plus mx plus c, just always give it in this way. Unless wamesema peana in terms of ax plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Cross multiply, you have 3 brackets y minus 9 equals to 3 to negative 2 x minus 5. And I hope mnatamani, mimi kwa naangalia mwalimu wetu wa chem tukisoma moles. Mwalimu anakuja bila kitabu. Hakija tuelezea tu vizuri those steps. Najiuliza alielewaje hizi vitu. Natamani nielewe. I hope you can see that I'm not struggling to do equation of multiply, hata ulete gani. And I hope unajaribu kufanya practice na wewe pia uelewe. Ndio ukielewa kabisa, the more you do these things, the more you understand them. You don't need a book to come to do this. So this is 3y minus 27 equals to negative 2x plus 10. Negative times negative. 3y is equals to negative 2x plus 10 plus 27 and positive. So you have 3y equals to negative 2x plus 37 divided by 3 by 3 by 3. You have y. Your answer is y is equals to negative 2 over 3x plus 37 over 3 or 12, 1 over 3. And this is your answer for part 2. So this is how you solve that one statement. Now, I think I should highlight something also. Yeah. So, I hope you have understood that to solve an equation of a straight line, you need either 2 points, or 1 point and gradient, which in a piano comma m, gradients. So, if you are given 2 points, you first find the gradient. So, what is very important is here. You need 1 point and the gradient. Now, if you have 1 point and the gradient, changing y or changing x, y minus 9, x minus 5 is equals to, repeat to that. Then you cross multiply to rewrite it in the form y is equals to m, the gradient, plus c, the y-intercept. I explained that y-intercept ni wakati x is 0. If you put here 0, this one will disappear. So you have y is equals to 12 and 1 over 3. 12 and 1 over 3 is equal to decimal. So it's a fraction equal to decimal. So yeah, so you need this, or you're given 1 point and a way to derive the gradient. This one becomes mzuri. Hauko umetoa hii point, you are required to derive that point and also derive the gradient. So generally you need this. This is what you need. So you can derive the gradient if they are perpendicular. You are given another line that is perpendicular to the line that you need, where m1, m2 is equals to negative 1. or where they are parallel. So M1 equals to M2. We say if another line is parallel to this, the slope, tumesema gradient is slope. Slope is the same, so gradient is the same. M1 equals to M2. So this is all you need to know about equation of a straight line. Hakuna swali hai kuja ingine. Question I store about it. You know you treat that this one require. Haika rectangle. Ama ni vile nilisema mkwaletea the same process with this. Hivyo ndio Wakenya inafanyanga mtu. Ukitoa Wakenya ya maths. Ndio tasemanga hiki ya maths can only help a bright student. And in fact, mimi if you ask me, leakage will make you fail. Kama ni maths, even the bright student can angusha. This is not like chemistry. Kusoma maybe you have a leakage. An example, usijasema you have a leakage. An example can do the reaction between it's a certain metal. For Form 4 kuna topic ya metals. Kuna metals good. And most students struggle to cram the processes. Ukijua ni iron inakuja utaingia iron. Kama ni solve process na ujue iko utaiva. Useme hii na hii na hii na hii. But in maths, utaiva hadi hii process. Unajua ukiona answer, kama ulikuwa unajua answer inakuja 2/3. Kwa KE unapata answer ni 2/3 lakini unaweza answer ilikuwa 2/3 practically. You see? Au unapata tofauti, so unaanza ku waste time pale. So if there is any leakage in maths, ni sahihi na wapatia this one. Part C. Given that AC is perpendicular to AB, now we are assuming. So tushafanya part A, part B. Now the third question. Given that now this AC is perpendicular. Sasa for that question you can draw another one. Uchore hivyo. Uchore hivyo tuseme C and A and B. Now, given now that this is perpendicular, AC is perpendicular to AB, and the equation of line BC, this one is y equals to negative 5x plus 47, and find the coordinates of C. Remember we have found AB. The equation of AB tulipata ikiwa y equals to AB find the equation part A. Ilikuwa imesema y equals to 3/2 x plus 3/2. So this is the equation of this. No connection there. Remember? That is find the coordinates of C. This one. So what will you do? Yeah. And hiyo ilikuwa na 3 marks. Nilimaki kwa na 4 marks, I think ingine nikaweka 3 marks. If sijasahau. So what are you supposed to do? I'm waiting for your suggestions. Naona umepata na utaki kujibu. Umepata? So how do you find the coordinates of this point? So, first we find the equation of this line. So, find the equation of this line. Don't assume it's part, it's not, sure here for Apple to find the equation of this. Because then ilikuwa bisector. So find the equation of this line. Then after you find that equation, we solve simultaneous equation with this. Sawa? Bado. Okay, we are saying you need to find the coordinates of this. At this point is the point that satisfies this equation and also satisfies the equation of this. So, but you don't have this equation. So you find its equation. To find its equation, what do you need? 1 point. 1 point is 3, 6. You need 1 point and gradient. Now we get to the same thing. What is m? M we don't know. We can derive from this because remember it's perpendicular to this. So you can derive from this. So m1, m2, is perpendicular. So the product, gradient 1 times gradient 2 will give us -1. So this gradient I can do 3 over 2, m2 equals to -1. Uko na kitabu yako ya maths? Look, I have this. Nikumbusha. Nitamalizia kumaka. So m2 equals to -1 times 3 over 2, which is -3 over 2. Kwa hizi hesabu unaachia tu hapo ikiwa improper. 3 over 2 ndio ikusaidie kusoma. Niache tu hivyo usimalizie. Now you have the gradient of this. It is -3 over 2. And you have this 1 point. So please find me the equation of this by kila mtu. Yeah? Sorry. So this is 3 over 2. Ikikuja hapa 3 over 2, m2 is equal to -1. So wakati unaleta pande hii, you multiply both sides by 2 over 3 times 2 over 3. Sawa, ndio hii na cancel hivi. So this one is not 3 over 2, it's 2 over 3. Thank you. 2 over 3. Thank you for that. Kama unauliza tungeenda mpaka mwisho kushinda mbona answer hivi. Haya. So this is the 2 over 3. Now, so kila mtu find the equation of a line that passes through the point 3, 6 and is equal to -2 over 3. You know maths has a way ya kuonyesha hizi lakini ufanye mwende. I'm not seeing you doing it. Unapata kwa mtihani you do it, we are learning science. You have already done it. Yako kwa. Nimesema hata kama ulipata redo it. Yes. Redo it. Maths ni kufanya. And by the way, when you are advising, hizi karatasi weka vizuri so that when you are advising for your exam, you will do a paper that you have already done. You have gotten it right, you will do it. Sawa? So you assume another point. You have another point x, y. So x, y. You have another point x, y. So your answer, we have y minus 6, x minus 3 equals to -2 over 3. Cross multiply, you have 3, y minus 6 is equals to -2, x minus 3. Okay? So this is 3y minus 18 equals to negative 2x plus 6. So you have 3y equals to negative 2x plus 6 plus 18. 3y equals to negative 2x plus 24. Y equals to negative 2 over 3x plus 8. So this is the equation of this line. So this point is 3x, 3, 6. The equation of this line is y equals negative 2 over 3x plus 8. So the equation of this line. Remember what we did last time? We saw, you say point C is a point where y is this and y is also this. You solve the simultaneous equation of this. So, simultaneous equation to find the values of x and y. I think like a put here. You have already written this. So y simultaneous equation equal form 1. Equal form 1 simultaneous equation. Y is equals to negative 2 over 3x plus 8, and y equals to negative 5x plus 4, 7. Normally tunafanyanga unarewrite x, y, alafu number huko. So if you write correctly, you can itakuwa negative 2 over 3x plus y equals to 8, and then negative ukirewrite pande ingine upeleke this part x itakuja 5x plus y equals to 47. So for Joyce, just like when I say my y ni hii na pia y ni hii, so you can also equate these two. Here in elimination, unasema tu negative 2 over 3x plus 8 is equals to negative 5x plus 47. Answer itakuja the same. Here you can subtract. So you have negative 2 over 3 minus 5. Here inakuja negative 2 over 3 minus 5. Negative 2 over 3 minus 5 is equals to 3. Negative 2 minus negative 15. Minus 15. Then negative 17 over 3. So negative 17 over 3x equals to 8 minus 47. 39. Then type. Inakuja kwa kweli? That's 17. Okay, let us change yake kwa na fraction. We can change it yake kwa na fraction so that we solve it vile umezoea. So you have y is equals to negative 2 over 3x plus 8 times 3. So you have 3y equals to negative 2x plus 24. So here, andika yacha kwa na fraction ikuje then pale 2x plus 3y equals to 24. 2x plus 3y equals to 24. Now solve. You can multiply this one by 3, the whole of this fraction, litoshana na y. Ama multiply, niliona kuna watu ukimultiply hapa chini wana multiply ya juu, sio zote. So you multiply by 3 ndio iishe. So you copy this 2x plus 3y equals to 24, and this is 15x plus 3y equals to 47 times 3. 50 minus 9, 141. Confirm. Confirm. Now you subtract. Inakuja negative 19x equals to 24 minus 141 minus 20 inakuja 21 180 inakuja 118
17.
Divided by negative 13, x inakuja 9. X is 9. X is 9. Now x is 9, you replace in one of these equations. Ama unaweza chukua hii useme y equals to negative 5x plus 47. Hii ni negative 45 plus 47 equals to 2. So at this point, x is 9 and y is 2. So what is the coordinate of C? 9, 2. So, is there anything elephant? Hakuna kitunguu hapa. So I think I'll leave hiyo mfanye practice. Because hata tukifanya practice, tukifanya questions ndio niwamakie, maybe niwapende ndogo. So I'll give you another assignment ya 10 marks, iko similar. Remember this zote nilitoa kwa KCSE. Past KCSE. This was in 2018 or something. So I'll find an equation of a simple for 10 marks. Niwapatie mfano. So let us go directly to or we solve this. Let us go first into these questions. Tutarukaruka tutafuata. Sawa. Let us do question 4. Sijui nilikuwa mnafanya nini hapo. Question 4 ya form 1. Oh. Question 4 ya form 1 ilikuwa inasema express 1728 and 2025 in terms of their prime factors. Now, what is prime factors? Our prime numbers. What is prime numbers? Prime factors. What's the time? I want us to bakisha time enough ya kama wana wa hivi ya lini ya mwisho. Tunalifanya after break ndio nilikuwa na wana peke yake. Nikiwapatia na kuja tunaanza kuwamakia, sio? So for now tuendelee on this. Time? 128. In the next 30 minutes we can be able to rush on this. Now, what is prime number? Carol, what is prime number? A number? Ama example, nipe example ya prime number. 11. So far, let's say 11. Ni correct? Haya, the example ingine, Peter? Okay. Prime number. Prime number. 1. 1. 1 incorrect. So what is a prime number? Okay. What is a prime number? So it's a number that can only be divided by 1 and itself. In your fraction, for example, you have 4. 4 you can divide by 1. You can divide by 1 is equals to 4. 4 you can divide by 2 is equals to 2. 4 you can divide by itself ikupe 1. So you can divide mara nyingi. Lakini when you come to 11 kama utaki fraction, you can only divide by 1 ikupe 11, ama 11 divided by 11 ikupe 1. Hakuna namba nyingine utadivide ikupe whole number. Sawa? That's right. So kwa nini 1 you can divide by 1 ikupe, and you can also divide by itself. So 1 can divide by 1 and you can divide by itself. So huwezi rudia hapa. So 1 is not a prime number. So because haienda hivi. Since tumejua 1 huwezi tuandika prime numbers. Ingine ni 2. 2 can divide by 1 and 2 can divide by itself. So ile iko chini kabisa ni 2. Umeandika hiyo? Napita kama huko unajua prime number. So prime numbers ni 2, 3. Najua unazungumza ingine after 2, 3, next 5, ingine 7, ingine 9. 9 hapana. 11, ingine ingine vitu kama hivi karibu naika 39 inadanganyanga watu. 41 sijema kwa nini tumeruka 19. Oh yeah, there is 19. So there is 17, then 19. 41, 43, 47. Umeelewa? Now I want you to express. The question was asking, nilikuwa 4 marks. You know, some of you express in terms of their prime factors. Hence, evaluate. So first express. So, if you want all the 4 marks, first express. So, you have 17, 28. So, unaanza kudivide. Unaangalia prime factors. Ni gani na divide kwanza ni 2, 3, the simplest. So, some of you walikuwa wanaanza na 6. Atasema, it's divisible by both 2 and 3 like a 6. No. Even if tutakusaidia kutafuta the square root ama cube root, that is not correct. So you start with 2. Divide by 2, okay? Because of 16, 8, 6, 4. 2, 4. 2. Naambia because this is simple. Sawa. Naambia sidhani kuna mtu wa 3. 2, 10, 8, 1 weight. 2, 54, 2, 27. Then ikifika hapa 3, 9, 3, 3. Sawa. Kuandika hivi is not enough. You have to express. Uniambie 17, 28 is equal to 2 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 3 raised to 3. Sawa. You need to write this. The next part. The next part iko nasema 20, 25. Twende na hizo prime factors. Divide by 2 is not divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3? How do you know a number is divisible by 3? You sum, and whether the sum in a divide. So 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5. Inakupea 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So this one is divisible by 3. You also have your calculator. So divide by 3. Because of 18 you have 6. Carry 2, 22, 7 because of 21, carry 1, 5. 3, 2, 2, 5. 3 again, no? I think. Because if you are in 9. By 3, 7 because of 21, 5. By 3, 25. By 5, 5. So, 20, unaandika hii alafu unaandika 20, 25 equals to, if you have not written this in your paper, I hope unaandika hivi, 3 raised to 4 times 5 raised to 2. Unaandika hivi yote ama weke times. Okay? Now after that, you unaenda the next step. Unasema, I can delete this. I can delete this and say, now the cube root of 17, 48, 28 over the square root of 20, 25 equals the cube root of 2, 6 times 3 over 3 square root of 3, 4 times 5 squared. Haya. Now, with this, kama wewe ni wale wajanja, unaweza andika 2, 6 times 2, 3 raised to 1 over 3. Hiyo ndio cube root. Ndio 1 over 3 kuja kama multiply these powers. Na hii ni 3 squared times 5, 4, then a half. So that when you open this power, you compare the answer. So anyway, this one is divided by 3 answer. You compare your answer 2 times 3, 1 over 3, 2 times 5. Okay? And your answer, now unaweza open now your answer. But this is 4 times 3 over 9 times 5. 12 over 45. Sawa? Okay, now, yes. Oh, yeah. So you can simplify further. At this point, you will apply 3 na hii. Ama when you get your answer, divide by 3. So divide by 3, 15. So, let's do that. Now, just a moment. Just 1 minute ni fanye kitu na hii. Sawa. So, up to that point for sawa. Okay, let us redo. Question 6. Mlikuwa na shida nayo kweli? Question 6. Question 6. Kita question 6 upali. Simultaneous equations. Kani mko Umeona vile tumesoma simultaneous division? Utafanya hiyo? Utakuja kufanya hapa? Kuja ufanye tu correct. Ukosea ndio kujimanjia. And but don't be afraid. Hawa wenye wako wani pia mbele hapo. Wamekutana na hii swali mara nyingi, wame practice. So wewe wakati unashinda usiwaangalie. Simultaneous equation si ngumu. Since umeona vile tumefanya simultaneous equation, I want you to try that. Kuna njia nyingi, kuna njia mob. So instead of doing it, so let us redo them in two ways. Kuna x minus 4y equals to negative 5. Na hapa negative x plus 2y equals to 1. Tufanye hii swali ilikuwa ya graph, niliwaondolea graph. Nilikuwa nimeweka graph. Nikaona kitu basi ngumu. So next Saturday, expect the same question like that. I won't change the figures. Since I promise. So this question exactly for graph. So kuna elimination na kuna substitution. Haya, kuna wenye wanaenda form 4. Mnafaa mfanye hiyo na graph na matrix. Haya. So elimination, by elimination tunaanza nayo, you want to eliminate one of these. You want to eliminate maybe x ama y. Hapa kuna x na hapa ni negative x. So ukiadd hizi x plus minus x minus x itaisha. Imekuwa 0. So 0x. Haya, negative 4y plus 2y inakuja negative 2y equals to negative 4. Y divided by negative 2. Y equals to 2. Sawa. Halafu unachukua hiyo unaiweka kwa moja ya hizi. Unachukua kwa hii x minus 4y equals negative 5. X minus 4, 2 equals negative 5. X equals negative 8. X minus 8 equals negative 5. X equals negative 5 plus 8 equals to 3. So, hiyo ni elimination. Substitution, when you just take one. Hiyo ni yeye mnafanya form 1 form 2. X tunachukua negative x plus 2y equals to 1. Weka moja iko positive. For example, 2y equals to 1 plus x. Y equals to a half x plus 1 over 2. Sawa. Tunakuja kwa hii. Umefanya hii, unachukua the next one. Tunasema x minus 4y equals to negative 5. So mahali kuna y unaweka hii. So x minus 4 x plus 1 over 2 equals to negative 5. X minus, you now open the bracket. Since the fraction there is a multiply here, itabaki 2x plus 1 equals negative 5. Now, if you decide to open the bracket, bila negative, make sure about your bracket. That means that I 2x plus 2 equals negative 5. Finally, if I equal to, I'm going to direct x minus 2x minus 2. Hata sasa hivi kifungua. Nasema hivi because question 1 kuna mtu alifungua akasoma hapa ndani alafu akasema si shaka soma negative 5. Yes. So this is negative x equals to negative 5 plus 2. Negative x equals to negative 3. X is equals to 3. Na ndio hii zinafaa zifanane. Haya, ukishatafuta hiyo x is 3. X is 3. Unarudi tu hapa. Ulikuwa umesema y ni nini? Y is x plus 1 over 2, which is 4 over 2, which is 2. Answer yako ni same. Sawa. Na kwa hivyo. Haya. You can also do it na graphical na matrix. Acha tuondoke hiyo swali, tuende kwa question hii ya pesa. Sikuna mkono kicha sana. Exchange rates. Let's do number 2. Number 2, hiyo ya the length of 3 wires. Length of 3 wires. Can you with the 3 wires? I think we lost 1 point up. It's not that really tiny. So today we are going to do at least 3 or 5 questions za motion. Ndio tunaandanisha hiyo topic kabisa. The length of 3 wires. Kwa tunasema one wire is 30 meters, another wire is 36 meters, and another is 84. Tulikuwa tunafanya hizi maswali in class, so kwa nyawatu kwa pieces of wire. I think the first time we did Monday. The length of 3 wires were 30 meters, 36 meters, and 84 meters. Pieces of wire of equal length. Pieces of wire of equal length were cut from the 3 wires. So you want to cut the pieces into some other pieces of equal length. Kama hii ni x, equal x, na pia hapa equal x, na zikuwe equal. So, calculate the least number of pieces obtained. So, the trick here is least number of pieces obtained. So least, to obtain the least number, you need to divide by the smallest number, the greatest size. So that you put in pieces. For example, niko na miwa na hizo pieces. Now, I want to divide among X children, among students. Ndio mtu apate the largest share, I need to divide by the smallest number. Sindio? For example, sijui watoto ni wangapi, lakini ndio mtu apate ile kubwa, si maybe achukue yote, so I divide by 1. If I want them wapate kidogo sana, I divide by 20, wapate kadogo. So I need to divide by the greatest number. So to get the least number of pieces here, you divide by the GCD. So when you find the LCM, you unajaribu kusema nini? Sijui ni number yenyewe. It makes sense in this question. The least multiple. But say after, find the greatest divider, then you use it to divide the pieces. Then you sum the answer. So we find the GCD. And again, now I'm on 30, 36, and 84. Tusikue wavivu wa kuandika, tunatafuta tu GCD atunaweka 6 hapa. Tafuta tu na hizo prime factors 2, 15, 18, 42. Then 3, 5, 6, and 21.6. Kweli 1 8 4 1 4 sijani iko sawa. Iko sawa. Now any other common factor in 5 in 5 in 2 na 3 in 2. Okay, so this is the GCD. So GCD equals 2 times 3 equals 6. This is the greatest number you can divide all these pieces with. Now divide 30. So this number of pieces is equals to 30 over 6 plus 36 over 6 plus 84 over 6. The answer is 5 plus 6 plus 14 equals 25. Make sure umeandika. Ushaandika? Umeandika? Ndio nikualetea the same question. Unaweza naamka na mtu mmoja niseme akiwa kinche tu hii tena. Because I want to encourage you upate yote. Let's say one page ya hizi inaweza kuja tu yote venye iko. When we change this, na turudie hivi. So let me see. Number 1 kuna place. Ulikuwa nimekuonyesha ni wapi. Hiyo negative 3 na 6. Hiyo negative 3 na 6 ukimultiply inakuja ngapi? Nani anataka hii karatasi afanye tena? Tukipata device then tupasha ni kuna several copies. If you feel ukupata 30 kwenda juu and you feel now you're confident, I can always give you the paper ufanye tena. Sawa? Yeah. That is after the device will feel for satisfied. Ufanye tena and I mark for you. The next part is our guide, number 3. Number 3, Moya had 2/3 hectares piece of land. He donated 7/8 what? He donated 7/8 what? 7/8 hectares. So for you, chenye mwana umefanya, umesema, sijui umesema 2/3 equals to 1/1. Yani fraction. So wakati, then sasa unauliza 7/8. I think 1 minus 7/8. Unatafanya kitu kama hiyo. Remember, hapa tushasema hectare. Unajua angeambiwa, he donated 7/8 of his land. There is a difference between saying he donated 7/8 hectares na 7/8 of his land. Sio? Ingekuwa 7/8, tungesema 7/8 of his land times 6, 2/3. Tujue ni ngapi alipeana. Lakini if it is hectare, na hii pia ni hectare, hii ni kama kusema 7/8 of this ni kama kusema a percentage like 70% of his land was given. So this is a fraction of a hectare. So it's 6, 2/3 hectares minus 7/8. So we're going to this is some English, the language of math. To a school and 1.5 hectares. You see, ukisema hii ni 1, utashinda utapeana 1.5, atapeana more than he has. Kama ni fraction. Minus 1 and 1 over 2. Ile answer utapata divided by 2 to get what each child alipata. Kuna sana nataka na aliwaangalia equal by the way. Nasema tu wanasoma hiyo equal. The land was shared equally between his son and his daughter. So your answer is an answer 2 7 over 48. 2 7 over 48 hectares. So I want you to do this one. If you might have said it, then the answer is very bad. How much are you have? Number 1 is bond mass. Let's see, bond mass. Let me redo number 1 ndio niwaambie what you should do. Number 1 ni hizi, lakini kuna issues kidogo. What is the time? Sitaki niwapitishie break. Sitaki kupitisha break. It is 1:57. Now, you have the numerator and the denominator. You have negative 3 over 6 plus minus 2 minus 12. By the way, this one is numerator kwa naanguka shule. Sikuwa naelewa kwa nini. Nilikuwa naanguka. Na primary si nakuja. Nilikuwa nakuja. Nilikumbuka hapo form 1, form 2 until nilijua you are supposed to write every step. Ukipata swali kama hii, chukua numerator. Solve the numerator first. Andika hapa numerator and denominator. Chukua numerator. You have negative 3, 6 plus minus 2. Minus 12 divided by 4 plus 5. Then I will have a bond mass. So do you have a bracket? Do you have a bracket? So how do you solve this bracket? Uta add hii ama uta multiply? Uta multiply hivi ama uta add kwanza? Bracket. What will you do? Will you open it hivi ama you first solve what inside the bracket? So what is inside the bracket? But even if you want to open, you can simplify it kwanza ikiwe 6 minus 2. Alafu ndio hii ifungue moja moja. Ukifungua the answer should be the same as if you solve this itakuwa negative 3 na hii ni 4. Ukiopen itakuja negative 12. Sawa? Yeah, negative 12. So this is what you should do. So negative 3 plus minus and minus, so ni 4 minus inakuwa plus. Ama tunasema solve then tupate bond mass. Then open this bracket. As you open, you realize the division for mbali, so you can do the two. Unaweza fanya hapa na ufanye off, hakuna umefanya division. You underline. Now, remember, unaweza solve hii moja ama ufanye moja moja. Unaweza solve hii pekee kwa na hiyo negative. Sawa? So it is for you to choose, lakini ufanye pole pole. Negative 12. This is plus 12 divided by 4 plus 5. Negative 12 plus 3 plus 5. So negative 12. And then from this point, I think there is one student online. Check we got up to this point, but the answer, instead of, this is negative 12, these are positive. I think you added, it's equal to 20. I don't know whether it's positive or negative. But remember, negative 12 plus 3 plus 5. You have a debt of 12 shillings, but now you are starting to repay. You repay 3 bob, then you repay 5 bob. How much of money na your calculator? Minus 12 plus 3 ama plus 8. Tunafanyanga addition first. Multiplication, then addition, subtraction. If that is the case, we have write 3 plus 5 minus 12. If you don't be confused. But come and Vincent watafanya tu directly. So this is 8 minus 12, which is negative 4. So the numerator answer is negative 4. Follow your here, the denominator tutapata is equal to 9. I'm writing this because we are just revising. So ukipata hiyo answer ya denominator tutapata 9. Then numerator over denominator is equal to negative 4 over 9. So we are going to do, after break, tutafanya linear motion. Linear motion ilikuwa primary commands. Hakukuwa na mambo ya speed, distance. Kulikuwa the only thing imeongezewa ni relative speed. So hiyo tutafanya hata na kwa pamoja ili swali rahisi. Any question up to this point? Kuna kiulizo? Kiulizo? Hakuna? Oh, then I also like ile swali. Unaona hii swali kwa nafanya hapa. Kuna mambo mengine niona na this diagram. Tuseme hapa ni kama 6, ilikuwa 6, 6, 12, 12. You can also say this is a triangle when you pata the height, because you already have this as 6 90. Hapa ni 90. This way you have this 12 height, you don't know what you can be able to find this, which is the square root of 12 squared plus minus 3 squared. So and as itakuja the same. Pia ukitumia hii ni 6 12 na 12 utumie tulita Hero's formula. Hiyo ya S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. You can be able to do it. Question 2. Kama mtalipata hiyo. X is indeterminate. Oh yeah, let us do question 1 and 2. Question 1 from 2 ni rahisi. From 2 parts. We know you can check with your calculator. Which part ufanye sin 30 ufanye cos 60, sin 45 ufanye cos 45, fanya sin 70 na cos 20. Ukifanya hii unafanya hii na una compare the answers. Unaweza andika mahali ama just compare. What do you know? You note they are more than equal. Ziko equal. So sin that is equals to cos 60. Ama sin 60 is equals to sin to cos that. Is equal to the same. Kuna moja ni hapa hivi. So what do you note? So sin 70 is equals to cos. I hope nikiwaacha mlikuwa mnafanya hiyo swali. Mmepata? What is happening? Your teacher is also the editor and anajishoot. Mnajua mtu anaitwa mkeo? Unajua mtu anaitwa mkeo? Ama anakuanga na TV channel, ndio anajiinterview na ndio anasoma news, ndio anajiinterview, ndio anajibu maswali. So in this class niko hivyo, niko almost kujibu. Sasa in this sense nilikuwa nawapea, hii ndio ilikuwa umeambiwa sin 2 theta minus 15 equals cos 3 theta. So what do you realize? Sin and cos. So sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. So you can say so 90 minus theta. So this plus this plus this gives you 90. So 2 theta minus 15 plus 3 theta should give you 90. Then find theta. Equal to 2 marks. Bado una lot. Hii sahihisha ilikuwa cos 90 minus theta. So tukisema hii ni equal na this one, tunasema this one is equal to this. So if you add this and this should give you 90. This plus this is 90, this is 90. So this and this is 90. So we add 5 theta minus 15 equals to 90. 5 theta is equals to 105. Theta equals to, is it 15? Come on, that's 5 21, alafu napeana ni degrees. So tuende question na nilijiuliza, hebu nitaangalia kwa nini maswali mbili ziko indeterminate ya K. Is it true? But let us do with you tufike hiyo point. Tuangalie. We are going to do with you. Tuone kwa nini. Mpaka nikashindwa kwa nini. 2 questions. Zake hizi kule answer wewe zitamani kabisa. How? So 8x minus 1 minus 2 3x minus 1 equals to 120. Now weka into the power of 2. 2 then 3 x minus 1. Tunamweka 3x akasahau kuweka bracket. Usipoweka bracket minus 2 3x minus 1 equals 120. You open the bracket 2 3x minus 3 minus 2 3x minus 1 equals to 120. Vincent, what are you trying to do here? Let me see your paper. Kwa hiyo 120 ulijaribu kufanyia nini? So hii ni minus 3 na hii ni minus 1. So ingekuwa na minus 2. The powers zingekuwa na minus 2. Like between 7 and 2. Even 7 na 5 ingewaka. 7 and 5. But haikuwaka. Haya. So up to this point, you can continue 2x, 2, 3x, divided by 2, 8, minus 2, 3x, 2. Tunaweka hivi kwa nini? You can alternatively say, this is 2, 3x times 2 negative 3. So, mliambiwa if something has a power 2 raised to negative 3 is equals to 2, 3, alafu na power. Ni reciprocal. Hata kwa calculator reciprocal imewekwa kwa negative. Unaona hii ni ya reciprocal x minus 1. Hiyo ama unajua factorial. X factorial iko hapo imeandikwa kwa shift. Unajua factorial. Factorial unafanya nini? Unafanya 3 factorial. Generally factorial. Right? I think I know high school, but ukiambiwa 3 factorial hivi inamaanishanga 3 times 2 times 1. 5 factorial inamaanisha 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Ndio mnaekanga ile makofi 5 factorial na chapa 5 4 3. So 5 4 ni factorial. Kuna kitu kingine pia inaitwa combination. Ya 5 combination. Sisi zote mtasoma hapa kama tunaendelea kwa maths. So hiyo ya negative 1 ukiweka kama ni ukiweka 2 alafu weke hiyo answer itakupea hapa. Ndio 1 weka 2 alafu weke hiyo itakupea hapa. Why? Ni kama 2 raised to 1 alafu 1 which is 1 which is a half. Sawa. So hiyo ni ya reciprocal. Reciprocal ni ile unaambiwa it is 2. 2 inakuwa ni kama 2 over 1. So the reciprocal is 1 over 2. Hii ni whole number inakuwa itself iko ni 3 over 1. Hii ni number ni kama over 1. So reciprocal ni 1 over hiyo number. Haya. So we are here. So this one ni 1 ni kama 2 1 then times 2 3x. So inaweza kuja hivi. Anyway, I just wanted to demonstrate that 2 3x over 2 3 minus 2 3x over 2 1 is equals to 120. Ipo kalika nile kwa namna tangile tuone mejipanga is equals to 120 ama niweka vitu zake iko form 2 indices. Yes, is equals to 2021. Wakaita 2021 na 2022 zikifuatana indeterminate. Haya. So up to this point, you can let 2 3x is equals to m. So you have m over 2 minus m 2 equals to 120. 1 over 8 m minus 1 over 2 m equals to 120. So something in 1 over 2. So tunaongea hapo na kitu 1 over 8 tunaweza ka LCM inakuja 1 inakuja m minus 4 m equals to 120. By the way, when you are confident na maths na mfano correct, even if the answer is not answered, hata kama the answer is not answered, unafanya hivyo. There is someone kwa equation of accelerator, kuna mtu alikosea gradient na nikaendelea kumarkia huko chini. Shida ilikata huko chini alikuwa anakosea. Kwa section A, when you have a wrong answer here, you start putting here 2. Now uendelee hivi. Imagine they continue marking with their wrong answer because they want to mark the method. Even in moles kwa chemistry, when you ukikosea question 1 kwa practical inakuanga na ile ya format kwa titration inakuwa format hiyo kama hiyo kujaza table na nini. If you fail that, don't worry, we will mark with your wrong answer. we want to see whether you know how to do it. So in maths, be keen, andika steps zote. Andika steps zote. Kuna mtu alikosea gradient na sasa maybe hiyo swali ya 10 marks. Huwezi mwangusha hapo section A. Then section B is ukiandika hata A kwa swali. So you have kuna 8 questions from 17. I'm talking this to all of you, especially when you end form 4. Question 17 to 24. If these are 8 questions, zinakuwa 10 marks each. Question 17 umekuja ukaweka A hapo, ama ulikuwa unafanyia rafu yako alafu ukaiacha. We will mark it. Tuseme this is 0 out of 10. Question ya 24, ukapata yote 10 out of 10. We will pick the first 5. Tuache hii, tuchukue 0 over 10. Tuache ni umepata 10 over 10. So section B, usiandike anything kwa mfano. Kwa ukiandika alafu upate iko wrong, cancel. Hata ukiweza andika cancel. Sawa. Don't do rough work at your question 17 useme si wataona hii sijafanya. If you write anything like A ama even 2, equal 2, you are going to mark it, useme this is wrong, 0 out of it. And remember, examiners are paid out of the papers they mark. So you are like a 0 vizuri. Akifika tu ya 5 anaachia hapo. But section A ni poa. Ukikosea, we go with your process. So you know how to cross multiply the multiplication of a set line. And kupata marks. Tuko hapa. The last thing we are doing ndio tuende hiyo break. If you have a question, utaniona mimi. Hii negative 3 over 8m equals to 120. Cross multiply m equals to 120 times negative 8 over 3. Negative what? 31, 340. So m equals to negative 320. But up to that tumekosa ile. But so ukifika hapa m equals 2 over 3x 2 raised to dx is equals to negative 320. X is in determinant. Ama 320 badala 320 tunataka raised to 2. Tuweka yani something 2 raised to kama 10 tuone inakuja nini kama 7 9 2 raised to 9. And then here you can raised to 8. Hakuna na pia even if iko negative utasoma so unaachia hapo. You cannot determine x precisely, but you can leave your answer to this point. Haya, so kwa mwenye kusema x is infinite nimpea hivi -1 ama mwenye kufika hapa. Kuna swali hapo za kweli? Hakuna. Haya, so you likeria ni kufanya nini? You process what you have learned for 10 minutes. Then tufanye linear motion. Linear motion is a good topic. Ni kama last time tulifanya 3D. Nakumbuka? Vincent, 3D ni ya form 4 lakini mko form 3 na tukalani na mkashika. So linear motion nitawafunza mpaka wanaanza soma juu ni speed ziko kabisa za time. Hivyo tu. Hiyo ni kitu tumesoma hata form 1 class 8. Haya, any question? I forgot to introduce you. Peter. Yes. Introduce?
No.
How are you? Tunaweza introduce then tuende agree mko form. Tunasema kuna form. Watu wa form 1 wao ndio senior kwa hapa. Wa introduce ndio hawajue then we go for a break. Ni wewe ndio unaweza unaniambia nini?
Sasa ya form 3 ya naomba lagi na mimi introduce bila kwa media form
Hai? Hivyo? Hivyo umeandika jina yako. So tuko hivyo. Watu kuna wengi wanaenda form 4. Unaenda form 4? Unaenda form 4. Unaenda form 3. Vincent kama watano. Then wengi tena wanaenda form 3. Joyce na Yvonne. There's also another one mwenye anatujoin. Tutakuja saa hii ama kesho. Niwapatie pepa zake hata tumalize kwanza hesabu ndio niwapee kesho. Sawa. So take a break for 10 minutes. So we take a break for 10 minutes alafu turudi. We are on a break. You can also ask a question. Nitumia hapo WhatsApp if there is something hujaelewa. Yes, I'm going to disconnect for now kidogo tu.